This is a brand new 2014 Ford Super Duty. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 6.7-liter V8, and the added capability of four-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, skid plates, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, a CD player, rear curtain airbags, full power accessories, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, four-wheel disc brakes with ABS, a keyless entry system, and aluminum wheels. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.
Hoblit Ford is located at 46 5th Street in Colusa. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.